July 29th, our 3-month anniversary of being on our journey. We are here at the Cascade Falls site, which is kind of straight across from Otter Island, which we left this morning, around 10 o'clock or so. Chris said we should just come over here because we still got over 12 knot winds and fairly good sized waves, and there's only 11 of us around. We just had 3 kayakers arrive. They've paddled 24 kilometers to get here this morning. Not sure what we're going to do. We got to wait for the waves to go down before we move. We wanted to record this the dishwashing drying method perfected by Cindy Carlson. When you don't have dish towels or dryers, you use the wind in your arms. So we've had lunch. The waves have continued to build out here, and whitecaps out in the distance. Or rather, July 31st, our last full day out here on the lake. Last campsite. This is the Willow River, actually, so it is kind of full circle. Willow River campsite. They're actually working on this one, doing a lot of reconstruction, but we were able to stay here. It's afternoon. I can do it again. August 1st, the last day of this water journey as we leave the Willow River campsite as a well-oiled machine of Voyagers in our Gouvernante, and up here is our Avant and our Avant-Garde. August 2nd, we have arrived.
We're here.
We did it. Big round of applause.
Let's get things up here.
Yeah.
Stay down.
Gary has to come out.
I better get one of these.
So we are having some fruit and cookies here in Handy's Cove.
Thank you.
In celebration of our arrival. So very happy to be here. After a pretty long journey.